ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकम् 81 श्लोका 5। पार्थाद्यैः अपि अकृतलवनं तोयमात्राभिलक्ष्यं लक्षं छित्त्वा शफरमवृता लक्ष्मणामद्रकन्याम् अष्टावेवं तव समभवन् वल्लभाः तत्र मध्ये शुश्रूत्थ त्वं सुरपतिगिरा भौमदुश्चेष्टितानि। Word by word meaning. Parthadhyaihi api, even by Arjuna and others. Akrita lavanam, which could not be hit. Toya matrabhilaksham, which could be seen only by its reflection in water. Shafaram, fish. Laksham, as the target. Chitwa, hitting. Madrakanyam, Lakshmanam, the daughter of the king of Madra named Lakshmana. Avritaha, thou didst take as wife. Evam, thus. Tava Vallabhaha, thy wives. Ashtau, Samabhavan, became 8. Tatra Madhye, meanwhile. Bhauma Duscheshtitani, the evil deeds of Bhauma, the son of Bhumi. Narakasura, Surapatigira, through the words of Indra. Tvam Shushrotha, thou didst hear about. Full meaning. Thou didst hit the target in the form of a fish, which had to be aimed at by looking at its reflection in water, and which even Arjuna and others could not hit, and didst thereby get as wife Lakshmana, the daughter of the king of Madra. Thus the number of thy wives became 8. Meanwhile, thou didst hear about the evil deeds of Narakasura, the son of Bhumi, from Indra. Note: the 8 wives are Rukmini, Jambavati, Satyabhama, Kalindi, Mitravinda, Satya, Bhadra, and Lakshmana, also known as Lakshana. Om Tat Sat.